What's up, Thompson gang? Listen, we back with another video. What we gonna be talking about today? We got a real interesting topic.
Yeah, this 10-year-old made over $3,000 on the GameStop stock.
Wow.
With a $60 investment.
Just $60 he invested, and we are already was into the stocks into the investing. So we're gonna show y'all a clip of this video, but about all of the GameStop. How do y'all feel about everything that happened with GameStop and everything?
With us working together, we brought the big people down.
Wow.
Yeah.
What you feel, JT?
Yeah, GameStop is a really good stock too.
Yeah, it is. It took off 300%. So,
Right.
all right, guys. Well, we're gonna let y'all see this clip of the great 10-year-old who made the great investment. He actually got it as a gift, right? We ain't gonna give it out to y'all. We're gonna show y'all in the video, and we're gonna let y'all know our comments and what we think.
Stop stock market frenzy. He's just 10 years old, a fifth grader, which begs the question,
Are you smarter than a fifth grader?
the big Wall Street wizards certainly aren't. Not this week.
My phone is going off like crazy, and I'm just like, go get the kid.
Jaden Carr's mom, Nina, bought him 10 shares of GameStop as a holiday gift for $60. As the stock rocketed up this week, they sold it for $3,200, a 5,000% gain. What are your plans for the money, Jaden? What are you going to do next?
I am going to save 2,200 of it, and the rest, 1,000, I am going to invest in more companies.
The Wall Street roller coaster is being fueled by a band of renegade stock pickers on the Reddit forum Wall Street Bets. The so-called Redditors are urging each other on. Don't sell. Hold no matter what. Hold to the moon.
It's been a wild ride.
One of the guys leading the charge calls himself Roaring Kitty. His real name, Keith Gill, a father of two from Boston. He's made a whopping $47 million on GameStop alone. The Redditors' mission is to stick it to the Wall Street firms who are betting against struggling companies like GameStop, AMC, and Bed Bath & Beyond. The big firms are banking on the stock price going down, a trade known as short selling. But instead, the stock has gone up, way up. And now those big firms have lost an estimated $70 billion.
Everybody's talking about it.
The late-night comics have little sympathy for the big guys losing a fortune.
Those poor hedge fund managers. Now might be a good time to invest in whoever manufactures the world's tiniest violins.
They're like, we can't have a bunch of randos from Reddit manipulating the market. That's what we do.
The chaos is throwing the stock market into turmoil with wild swings up and down. So, what does this mean for your 401k account or your kids' college fund? I asked CNBC's Leslie Picker.
Nobody's really seen anything like this before. The most prudent approach would be to just keep monitoring the news, monitoring the headlines, making sure that you are appropriately diversified, and not to take too much risk right now because there is a lot of uncertainty going on.
All right, so that was the 10-year-old story y'all seen. I think it was amazing. He looking to invest in more stocks. I think it was a great look for everybody. One time for the underdogs. What y'all think?
This is like the start of the young people actually starting early and doing all these investments, growing early instead of waiting till like you're 19 or something like that.
Or 30.
Most of people started late in their life.
Right.
So this is like an early starting for people young. He's only 10 years old, and you earn over $3,000 on the stock. So,
Nice.
yeah.
JT?
So, did he say he was going to keep 2,000 and invest in more stocks with 1,000? So it seems like he's going to get more money. Seems like he's going to get more money.
Yeah, from the stock.
From the stock.
Because since he got this, he's planning on investing more.
Yeah.
And more stocks.
More stock. All right, guys. So that's it. We're gonna be giving y'all some more news on the our investing and our stocks. We're gonna be showing y'all what we got.
Yeah, huh?
Seeing if we can hit big like the 10-year-old kids. So, all right, guys. Peace and love to the family.
Peace.